open this. Hey guys, it's Nila and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first things first, I just want to greet you guys a happy new year, and this is gonna be my first vlog in this year. And also I just want to thank you guys so much for supporting me, for watching my vlogs, and for my 1,200 subscribers. Thank you so much. Anyway, back to the topic. I'm about to unbox my new Apple Watch. This one is Series 5 and this retails around 18,000 sa GH. Kung napanood nyo yung vlog namin ni Dar na nag-gift kami sa isa't isa. So yeah, without further ado, let's open this. Okay, so here we have at the top of the box, there's an Apple logo here and watch. And at the back naman, as you can see, Series 5, gold aluminum case with pink sand sport band, 40mm. So ayun lang guys yung box. It's just me or kayo din ba na sobrang satisfying mag-unbox ng mga Apple products, lalo na kapag bagong release. Kasi habang tumatagal, mas naging maganda yung packaging. And it's so easy to open. And itong Apple Watch, meron lang siya ditong opening. And you just have to pull it. And yeah, open na. Hindi na siya kailangan ng cutter, scissors, or anything. So sorry guys kung may mga dumadaang tricycle na naririnig nyo. Kanina pa ako dito. Kanina ko pa sila ina-avoid pero wala eh. Ang hirap talaga mag-vlog. Huwag yun na lang intindihin nyo. Okay, let's start opening this. And meron lang siyang parang pull tab here. Ayan. Meron siyang arrow dyan na pag ganyan daw yung pull. So, wait lang. Tanggalin ko lang yung scotch tape. Ay, ang fail na tanggal agad. So, yan yung have to pull lang. So, yeah. Tapos, meron lang dito, guys, na parang you have to pull it pa ganyan para ma-open siya. And, yeah. Pull ko lang. And, yan na yung kalalabasan. Tapos, when you open, so cute! Okay, so we do have these very nice Apple Watches with different kinds of bands. Ayan, when you open, ganyan lang yung itsura niya. And the Apple Watch box here. And meron lang sport band box. And yeah, ito yung pinaka-ano niya. May mga iba-ibang sport band. So, let's set this aside. So, ito na yung dalawang box na laman. And siguro unahin ko muna itong sport band. Meron lang siyang, ayan, of course, pink sand nga kasi siya. And at the back, meron lang siyang meron lang again, logo. Sport band, stainless steel pin, blah, blah, blah. And dito may nakalagay, pink sand sport band. Sa likod din, may nakalagay na 40mm. Ayan. So, meron ulit siyang arrow dyan. O-open ko lang, ipupull ko lang siya ulit. Yan, ganyan. So, satisfying. Sobrang easy talaga buksan ng mga Apple products. And at the same time, nakaka-enjoy sila buksan. So, open ko na. Ito yung laman niya. Instructions. And when you open, meron ulit siyang Apple Watch. And when you open, ayan yung itsura niya, guys. So, here we have instructions on how to put sport band. We also have two different size. And this would be the medium to large. And this one is the small to medium. And of course, ito yung may pin. So, that's it sa box ng sport band. And finally, mabubuksan na natin yung pinaka-Apple Watch. And sa likod, ganyan lang din siya ulit. And yung harap niya, guys, para siyang nakaangat dito. And ayun yung pinaka-Apple Watch. So, when you open, yay! Ayun lang yung itsura. Tapos, oh my god, nahulog. Meron lang ulit instruction, I guess. Instructions. So, lagay ko muna ulit yun sa gilid. Ayan na yung laman niya, guys. Here we have the wall plug with USB port dito. So, ayan. Also, the magnetic charger ng Apple Watch. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Parang may bilog. So, you have to put your Apple Watch na nakaganyan. So, makakapag-charge na siya. And finally, yung Apple Watch itself, parang nakabalot lang siya sa parang malambot na, I don't know kung foam to or something. Basta, ayan. Tapos, nakalagay lang 40mm. Ayan. Tatanggalin ko na siya. Charan! It's so cute! It's so cute! Ganyan lang, oh. Color black yung loob. Tapos, yung gilid niya, gold. I think this one is rose gold. Kasi, actually, guys, yung phone ko, gold to. Pero pag titignan mo siya, parang rose gold. Pero gold lang siya. And this one, gold lang din. Pero parang mukha silang rose gold. Kasi may touch of pink. So, yeah, I can consider this as rose gold. Para sila ng phone ko. Ayan. Halos same lang din sila ng kulay, guys. Medyo pinkish gold siya. So, ayan ang cute. Ayan yung likod. Ayan lang. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So, kukunin ko lang, guys, itong sport band. And of course, kukunin ko to small to medium kasi hindi naman malaki ang kamay ko. Diba? So, hindi kakasya sa akin yung medium to large. And, yeah, ito yon. Tapos, kukunin ko lang yung pinaka-pin. I guess. Ito na yung Apple Watch. Sabi sa instructions, kailangan daw magki-click. Pag narinig na daw, yeah, nag-click na siya, guys. Yun, okay na daw yun. Eh, lalagay ko naman tong isa. Wow, sarap ng hangin. Lalagay ko tong isa. So, ayan na, guys, yung Apple Watch. And, para ma-on siya, pindutin lang etong button dito. Hey guys, I'm back. So, di ba kanina, ayaw niya mag-open. Tapos, chinarge ko siya kasi feeling ko nga low bat. Pero nag-open naman siya doon. Let's see kung mag-open na siya. Sinaglit ko lang ng charge. Hold ko lang ulit. Yan, oh, low bat pa din. So, I think I need to charge it pa. And, try ko lang ilagay siya dito sa pangatlo. Yeah, ang cute, diba? Ang cute niya. Akala ko, guys, malaki sa akin yung 40mm, pero medyo sakto lang pala. So, guys, ito yung itsura niya, and nilagay ko na pala yung case niya. Ayan, no. Ayan yung nabili namin sa GH for only 300 pesos. And, halos magka-same naman sila ng color ng pinaka-sport band. So, ayan na itsura pag nakalagay yung case. So, okay guys, it's been 2 hours since na-charge ko na yung Apple Watch and i-on ko na siya ulit. Hold ko lang yung gilid. Yan. So, I'm about to set up an iPhone out of date. Your iPhone is out of date. Before you can pair it, you have to update it to the latest. So, guys, okay na. Na-update ko na yung phone ko. And, i-on ko lang ulit itong Apple Watch. So, sorry guys. Ito na, updated na talaga yung phone ko. And, totoo na to. So, ayan. In-on ko lang ulit yung Apple Watch. And again, makikita yung bring iPhone near Apple Watch. And, ito na yung nangyari sa phone. Apple Watch, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. And press ko lang yung continue. Set up for myself. Your Apple Watch is paired So, ayan na guys. Okay na. Tapos, setup ko lang ulit. Setup Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? So, of course, left. Okay, I have to set a passcode. And create passcode. So, ayan, nakalagay. Create a passcode. Nalagay daw sa Apple Watch. So, I have to put keep your Apple Watch up to date. Continue. Emergency. Continue na din yan. Clock faces. Continue. Apple Watch is syncing. So, ayun yung nangyayari, guys. Tara! Your Apple Watch is almost ready. Tapos, mag-alert na lang daw siya pag done na to. Mag-install. So, ayan na, guys. After 15 minutes ata, welcome to Apple Watch na. And, dito naman sa watch ko, ganito yung itsura. Your watch is ready. Press on the digital crown to start. And, ito daw yun. Yay! So, after ko i-press ang digital crown, nag-vibrate siya. Yun na, lumabas na. So, here, pwede mo siyang i-customize. Ayan, pwede mo i-customize yung Apple Watch mo. I-edit mo to. Pili ka dyan. Okay, so for now, yan na lang muna guys. Hindi ko muna siya ma-edit sa inyo. That is it for my vlog, and I hope you like it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Don't forget. And see you on my next video. Bye!